everyone. I hope you are all having a blessed day today. I am going to share with you my nail polish collection today. I have a few nail polish racks. This one I got at a yard sale years and years and years ago. It was actually a spice rack. I took the wood barriers off the front. It was dark brown and I painted it white. I also added ribbon at the back there. There's some slip grip so the polishes don't go anywhere. I also found this one also at a yard sale for like 25 cents as well. This is just a little wooden shelf, also found at a yard sale. Love yard sales. Recently I purchased this shelf here from the Dollar General for $18. You cannot beat that. Most of the storage is from Dollar Tree. And yes, so let's get into the collection. I don't want the video to be terribly long. Also, I want to point out I've been collecting a very long time, and I've been collecting since high school. Some of these nail polishes are very old but still perform fine. I also did a nail polish surge, and I want to insert a quick little clip here. My nail polish collection, I have this many nail polishes. I'm going to put it on the screen here. To do a brief overview of all the polishes I have is what we're going to do in this video. If you want to see individual brands, I can already tell you LA Colors is going to be coming up, so that will be in there. But any other brand you want to see, like China Glaze or anything like that, I will break it down completely in a separate video. But I have all LA Colors. This is the Creamy Neon set, the Mermaid Magic polishes, the Shimmer Gel polishes, and the Hypno Holographic polishes. On this shelf here, I have some of my favorite Color Club polishes, which they're very neon. Some holographic polishes here. Sorry for that sun glare. And then down here are all my mini Spectrum Cosmetics and a random OPI. Not a fan of OPI, so you'll only see like that one gold glitter. On this shelf we have, now you can see, obviously some of these are separated, but when I use them, I will roll the bottle or shake them. They're fine. They are two double rolled. I have a lot of the ombre sets here, like there's the pink, the teal, the purple one behind that, the gray one behind that. I have their creamy, like neon set. There's some of the jello, like some sheer neons back there. I have their core neons that everybody was crazy over, like Flip Flop Fantasy, Celtic Sun, some of those. Down here I have a lot of other, now a lot of my China Glazes are from limited edition collections. There are some Halloween collections down here, like my favorite is Zombie Zest. For Audrey is back here. Hunger Games collection in here. Here's Watermelon Rind, just to point out a few. So quite a bit of China Glaze. Okay, moving on down to my new shelving. I have just some random stamping plates that I've been using. Nail polish remover, a container I got from Dollar Tree to house cotton balls. This cute little wild and free sign I found at the Dollar Tree. In here I have basic white and black nail polishes, random nail polish there. But some stripers, some foil glue. I used these gold, silver, and another gold to stamp with. So anything like core, kind of essential item that I reach for quite a bit is in here. And then I have my MTV Mari Moon nail polishes. These are the multi and duochrome polishes. Also MTV Hits polishes right here. So I keep them all here in this container because I love them that much and I want to display them. Tissues, cotton swabs, a little light, and moving on down here, you'll see these little tier shelf things for cabinets. I found them at the Dollar Tree. You can use them for whatever you want. Obviously, I'm using them for nail polish. These also came from the Dollar Tree. So this is what the Dollar General shelf is capable of holding, and it's actually capable of holding even more than that. In the first bins, I have nothing but LA Colors. Okay. On this top shelf, I have nothing but clean colors. Now I do have the pegs in these, so I would have to remove all of this to move that out. That's a little bit inconvenient, but it's okay. So I have these Revlon Moon Candy polishes here, random glitters. Back there I have nothing but Maybelline Color Show. Yeah, like the video if you remember Maybelline doing nail polishes. This is a random one. It has Salon Perfect, Duck Dynasty. Yes, remember Duck Dynasty nail polishes? Yes. Confetti Orly. Finger paints, I believe, is in there. Now, moving on to the bottom shelf, I have 3 of those shelf extenders. They add an extra tier to your shelf, so a shelf extender. This one is Julie G. Hard Candy, and I have some Chameleon polishes and Milani in this one. Broadway, NYC, CoverGirl. There's some more LE colors back there, and Revlon, and some little petite polishes and some NYC. And I purged all of my Jordana polishes except that one. I love it so much. Here is Sinful Colors, nothing but Sinful Colors. This one has e.l.f. minis, some of the Glow Eye polishes from Dollar Tree, Broadway polishes, Kiss Polish, Julep. Here we have Color Club and Pure Ice, all the way back there. So I'll have to remove that one to get through some of the next ones. This is Sally Hansen, and it's a bit full. I did cram a few of those in there, but it still works. Some China Glaze Grinch. We have all these hard candies. Also, do you remember hard candy making nail polish? I know. I love hanging on to stuff. Fergie, some Spoiled nail polishes, some Wet n Wild. The last little container I have over here has the Wet n Wild. That's all for my shelving unit, and I do have more polish, if you can believe it. I love this storage now. Before, I'll insert a picture. My collection and storage look like this. And those drawers, once they're plastic, so once they got weighted down heavy, they were very difficult to open and close, get into the top and bottom drawer. It was ridiculous. So it was time for a change. So I am loving this new setup. I told you, even more polishes. So I have 3 Onyx nail polish removers, total overkill, but it is what it is. And then in these 2 containers here have nail polishes, and these are treatments and glitter polishes or specialty polishes like Crackle, Magnetic, things like that. So most of these are China Glaze specialty polishes. I have like a Katy Perry OPI that I kept. So Crackle polishes and Crackle. There's, like I said, there's Magnetic, specialty glitters, and here just a bunch of that. Some treatments and top coats that I decided to keep. There's limited edition China Glaze stuff. Now I cannot believe, like, I got rid of so much. You guys, like these 2, or well, I guess 4, because there's 2 on each. They were so packed, I couldn't get anything else in them. So here's the top of this one. The bottom of this one has nothing but foils. Now, once again, I want to say I've been collecting for a long time, so yes, this is excessive. This is a lot. But I am a beauty connoisseur, or a collector, whatever you want to call it. Pack rat, whatever. So, yep, all my foils are in here. And these are from dollarnailart.com. So in the top layer of this one, now these are perfect storage. I found these at the Dollar General forever ago, but they are perfect for nail polish storage. But this has like Revlon and Sally Hansen, some Fergie stuff, These awesome Sally Hansen Gem Crushes. They are amazing glitters. There's Broadway in here. Sorry, the lighting's not the greatest, but you get the gist. It's all glitter. And in the bottom tray, some of my favorites are these L'Oreal polishes. Yes, L'Oreal. Lots of limited edition pure ice polishes. And there is Salon Perfect in here. Broadway. More Sally Hansen. Just a ton of different random stuff. There's Central Colors and LA Colors in here. Lots of beautiful glitters. Oh, this one's so pretty from Central Colors. It's called Pearl Harbor. This is my favorite Nina Pro polish, Sally's. It's absolutely stunning. All the glitters in here. And this large storage unit that I have here has like perfumes and stuff like that. On top, it's full of makeup and other random, like, just extra backups and stuff. But I have some cuticles, some toe separators, nail files, pumice stones, lots of nail files in here. We have our Sharpies, nail stampers. I have nail stencils, fake nails, nail stickers, all that kinds of stuff in here. Here is more stampers, plates. There's Bundle Monster plate holder down there, hand creams, and here is striping polishes, another set of plates down there, nail polish thinner, stuff like that. Last drawer, I have more stamping plates, sponges. There is more stamping plates, and below all that, there is nail art. So nail art wheels, nail art gems and crystals, and more random nail art stickers. So many nail arts. So once again, if you want to see a detailed, broken down version of the nail collection, let me know what you want to see. I realized I skipped completely over this box that is on top of the nail storage. So in the box is stuff that I reach for regularly, like my cleanup brushes, the files I like to use, my scraper and stamper I like to use, my treatments for my nails, my top coats, base coats, cuticle oils, nail glue. Some of it's missing now because I did do a nail routine video. There is backup black and white polishes, hand creams, the cuticle, nail buffers, toe separators, how to fix broken nails. All the stuff that I reach for, like Pringle can lids and stuff to put polish on top of, all that stuff is here on top of the shelf. So basics and stuff I reach for all the time, clippers, cuticle pushers, all that stuff is here. That is my nail polish collection with nail art and all the other goodies. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Updated nail polish nail art collection 2020. And I can't thank you guys enough for watching and staying tuned to the videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already.